Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basic. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Oxford Finance. First step is to open your browser. You can choose any of your browser like Firefox, Safari. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now after opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Oxford Finance Alumni. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the homepage of Oxford Finance website. On the top right corner you can see login option, and if you hover your mouse there you can see two options, customer login and dealer login. Now click on customer login. Now you need your username and your password to log in, so type in your username. Now type in your password. If you have forgot your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. Now click on login, and this is it. Following this simple step, you are now able to log in Oxford Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.